Recently, I've been looking for more independent activities for my 1.5-year-old, and he's been starting to get more interested in art. So I thought I'd check out these Crayola Color Wonder mess-free paper and marker sets. He was definitely excited to try something new, and I was excited to see if it was actually mess-free. I started by letting him choose only a few of the markers and showing him how to take the caps off. He went through pretty methodically and tried each marker, taking the cap off and putting it back on when he was done, which is a habit I am happy to reinforce. He's used crayons and paint sticks before, but never markers, so this was a very new thing. And he loved both of those other activities, but they took a lot of supervision on my part. Once he kind of understood how the markers worked and that they were making colors, I took a step back and just let him kind of experiment with it. And I feel like overall he did really great. Since then, when we do this activity, I have taped the paper down, which helps him a little bit to keep it in place. But ultimately, the promise of these markers that they were mess-free was true. He definitely colored on the table from time to time, but it did not leave any color or residue behind. I'm always so thankful to find activities like this for when I need to get extra work done from home or when I'm just not feeling well. Right now, I would say the actual coloring part of this activity usually keeps him engaged for about 15 minutes. Sometimes a little longer if he starts asking for more colors, more markers, in which case I'll usually give him 1 or 2 more, and he's always very excited. I was definitely excited to add this to my repertoire of more mess-free, stress-free type activities. I also feel like this is a great activity for building some of his pre-writing skills and his fine motor skills in general, since he loves taking the caps on and off. It was less than $10 to get all of the supplies for this at Target, and I feel like they'll last quite a while. Follow for more mom stuff.